Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. We have a special guest star today. This is Jack. He's going to be trying the crock pot lasagna that I prepared today. So let's talk about the humble crock pot. I love the crock pot. It's a busy person's best friend. This can make wonderful, wonderful meals. They're fast, they're easy, and I'm going to show you just how fast and easy this lasagna was. Jack, why don't you show the people what you think of Mom's lasagna? You take a bite. That looked appetizing. Do you think, Jack?
It's delicious, Mom.
Thanks, Jack.
Time not light.
I'm starting with my empty crock pot that I sprayed with some cooking spray. This is just some leftover spaghetti sauce that I had. I'm using this in mine, but you can use whatever you want. Any jarred marinara sauce or any sauce that you make homemade would be perfect for this recipe. So I'm just spreading it out here on the bottom. And you want to do that first so that your noodles don't stick to the bottom. I add my noodles now. How easy is this? You don't have to cook them or anything. These are just oven ready noodles that go in raw. So I'm layering these on the bottom. I didn't like the way that one looked. There you go. Just break it in half, fit them in there however you can. I'm adding my cheese filling. I actually filmed a video of the ingredients that I use to prepare mine. However, I'm a brand new YouTuber and I messed that video up. I apologize. So what I'll do instead for you guys is just list in the description the ingredients that I use to make mine. But anyways, you just put your cheese filling on top of the noodles that you just laid in, and everything you use you want a generous amount because you want the noodles, being that they're not cooked, to have enough moisture to cook. Get the cheese filling put in there the way that you like. All you have to do then is just repeat the layers. Wait a minute, what's this piece of ricotta that didn't get blended in? Get your ass out of here. Here we are with our final layer, and it's just going to be a little grated Parmesan cheese and some shredded mozzarella. And this is going to cook in your crock pot on low for 4 hours. 4 hours later with the big reveal. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy.